What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be replacing my cabin filter, the K&N washable cabin filter. To get started, we're going to get in our passenger seat. To replace the cabin air filter, you're going to open your glove box, make sure everything's out of it or it may fall out on the floor. Push in on the right side and push in on the left side and it's going to drop down further. You can access the cabin air filter from here, but to give you a better view, I'm going to take off my glove box. Now you can see the cabin air filter cover. There's a tab on the right and a tab on the left. Just push in and remove those. There's an arrow with up, so you know which way to put it back on. Give this a pull out. This is 75,000 miles. Looks pretty nasty. And we're going to be replacing it with a K&N washable filter. Have the notch facing you. Put it back into place. Take your cover, again, up, arrow pointing upward. Push in one slot, then the next one, and then you just put your glove box in the up position, put it on the hinges, give a little push down, push in the tabs, click it, there you go. If your glove box is getting stuck about right here, that means that the hinges on the glove box are not seated correctly. So just work those around a little bit and you should be able to close it, no problem. So far, I already feel my AC working a lot better. I know it's just a cabin filter, I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but my air works a lot better. To replace your cabin air filter, open your glove box, make sure everything's out, push in the right side and the left side, it'll drop down further. You can do it this way, or you can actually take your glove box out, push down and pull out. There's an air cabin filter, there's a right side and a left side tab. Push both those in and pull right out. Remove your old cabin air filter. Take your new one. This one, have the notch towards you. Put it in. Up arrow. Push both tabs back into place. Take your glove box and push up, or put the hinges back on, push down, push in the tabs, and there you go. If your glove box gets stuck about right here, that means that the hinges are not seated correctly. So work those in a little bit and you should be good to go. Remove the cabin air filter. That's what 75,000 miles looks like. Have the notch face toward you. Take the cover. Ain't that a crime?